What's up, everyone? I'm in one of my favorite cities in the world. Can you guess where I am? I'll give you some clues. This is the city that never sleeps. It is nicknamed the Big Apple. And lastly, it is where you can see Times Square, the Statue of Liberty, and the Empire State Building. Do you know where I am? If you said New York City, you're right. You used clues to help figure out where I'm at. We use clues to make an educated guess, that it's called making an inference. Let's learn more about making inferences. What is an inference? An inference is an educated guess about characters, settings, or events that the author does not explicitly state. It is what the author does not say, but the clues we use to come to a conclusion. So how do we infer? First, we read the text. By reading, we know what is explicitly stated. Next, we dive into our background schema, or knowledge. What do we already know? Then, using our background knowledge and what the author has written, we can make an educated guess, or an inference. Lastly, when we make our educated guess, we need to cite evidence to support our reasoning. Let's practice how to make inferences. First, we will read the text. The hot sun beat down on the open stadium. Perspiration covered the pitcher's face. His sweaty hands gripped the ball tighter while he hoped to strike out the next batter. We will use inferences to answer the question, what is the setting? Let's first look at some things the author explicitly states. The words pitcher, ball, batter. Using those clues, can you think of where this event takes place? We can infer, or make an educated guess, that the setting is a baseball field. Evidence from the text to support this can be the line hope to strike out the next batter. Let's try another example. Begin by reading the text. Her heart pounded like a hammer inside her chest. Every nerve in her body felt electrified. This was it, the moment she had been dreaming of. Her first choir solo. We will use inferences to answer the question, how does the character feel? The author explicitly says the words heart pounded, electrified, dreaming. We know that the character is getting ready to perform her first solo. So what can we infer about how she is feeling? Did you say excited? Great job. Making inferences is an important reading skill. All you need to do is use clues from the text combined with your background schema. Then cite evidence to support your educated guess. I'm going to go explore the city now. See you later. For an interactive learning game, check out www.snowflake.live.